Today, I'll be replacing my stabilizer bar bushings. Let's go.
Alright, under the car, these are your rear stabilizer bar bushings, and I figured since I've already done the front ones, might as well do the rear ones too, just to freshen things up a bit. First things first, I'm going to clean up the area just a little bit, just so it doesn't get too messy. I will then proceed to remove the bolts using a 12mm socket. And although you can't see it in this shot, there is one bolt in the front and one bolt in the rear. And I'm just gonna clean one more time here. And this is my new bushing. I'll leave part links down below in the comment section. And before I install it, I'm gonna use some lubricant inside the rubber bushing. And maybe I spray the actual bar a little bit too. Now installation is basically opposite of removal. So I'm gonna put that bushing in there, slide it in place, and put the bracket back on. Put the bolts back in there, tighten things up, and torque to 16 foot-pounds. At this point, we're basically going to rinse and repeat everything we did on the passenger side, but on the driver's side this time. If you're hearing clunking sounds, always check your bushings before moving on to bigger suspension components. Everything worked out great for me. This is Jerry signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.